Let's do it.
You ready?
Ready?
Still in time. We're still in time.
Yeah, all right.
Huh?
You ready?
Yes, of course. We are ready for test our strength to see what we're made of. So people, if you're coming here to Ica, to Huacachina, don't forget to come into the desert. It's the best way to test what you're made of. So come and face the 3 challenges.
No, what is it? Feet first?
No, we go lay down.
Lay down?
Yeah, stomach.
Fuck's sakes. What's wrong with you guys? Yeah.
Let's try it first. No, sir? Okay.
Oh, he's gonna wax it even better so we go faster. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Look at those clouds. They're start raining